Hello friend, this is a PVC mixing system. As you can see, this is a PVC powder mixer with the material PVC powder, calcium carbonate powder, and other additives together to mix all of the needed material. And today we are going to test the machine, our PVC ceiling. As you can see, this is a whole production line. The first step is for the conical twin screw extruder. And this is for the die head and mold of PVC ceiling. And the third section is for the PVC vacuum calibration table. And this is a short vacuum calibration table, about 3 meters or 2.4 meters. This is the hauling machine. And this is the online hot stamping machine. We also call the heat transfer machine. We didn't test the machine because we are just testing for our material and formula today. As you can see, this is a cutting machine. As you set it the length you wanted, and the cutter will cut the PVC ceiling panels. And the last one will be the stacker. As you can see, after cutting machine, there is a PVC ceiling stacker.